It is time.
Welcome to part 18 of my Pokémon card opening series. Yes. Right now, we will be opening this Prismatic Evolutions ETB. I know it may have been annoying to string you along, but this set is well worth the wait. Here is the beautiful box. I'm definitely keeping this on my shelf. It's so pretty. Here's the booklet it comes with. Inside it shows you all the cards you can get in this set. Pokeball, Master Ball, Regular, Reverse Holos, Holos, Gold Hyper Rares, Full Arts, EXs, and them Big Chase Evolution SIRs. Let's see what they have inside the box. Burn and Poison status effect coins. The V promo card. A deck of energy cards. Card sleeves. Damage dice. And 9 booster packs, which we will open one today. Trying to decide which pack to open first. Let's open this one. Good luck, Munch. Praying for that God pack. Let's see the pulls. Brass Energy. Professor's Research. Dusclops. Dunsparce. Houndour. Professor Satis Vitality. Suicune. Bronzong. Pokeball Techno Radar. Reverse Holo Amethyst. Hala Vaporeon. I'm so very happy with this first pack. Hopefully the hits keep coming. Thank you for watching. See you in part 19.